Elif and Kerem discover the green city. "Bursa!" shouted Elif. "I can't wait. Papa says it's a city full of green trees and tall mountains." Her friend Kerem nodded, packing his backpack. And history. It was the very first capital city of the mighty Ottoman Empire hundreds of years ago. Their train journey ended, and they stepped out into a city where modern buildings nestled right next to ancient walls. Kerem looked up at a giant banner that read, "Welcome to the Green City." The first thing they saw was Uludağ, the Great Mountain. It looked like a giant sleeping giant watching over the city. "That's where we go next," Elif cheered. "We are going to ride the cable car all the way to the top." Climbing into the telepheric, the cable car, felt like jumping into a glass bubble. Soon, they were gliding high above the green forests. The houses below looked like tiny toys. Up on the mountain, the air was crisp and cool. In winter, people loved to ski down the slopes. Even in summer, they took a short, chilly hike, pretending they were mountain explorers. Back in the city, they visited the incredible Ulu Cami Grand Mosque. It had 20 domes. Kerem counted them all, trying to keep track of the sheer size and detail of the ancient stonework. Next, they visited the Yeşil Cami, or Green Mosque. It wasn't just green outside. The tiles inside shone with beautiful patterns of emerald and turquoise. Elif swore she saw a tile shaped exactly like a flying tulip. All that exploring made them super hungry. It was time for the specialty of Bursa, Iskender kebab. Layered meat, pita bread, rich tomato sauce, and yogurt. "This is the king of kebabs," declared Kerem, wiping his happy face. As the sun set, painting the sky orange and purple, Elif realized how special Bursa was. It wasn't just a green city or a mountain city. It was the place where history began for an empire that changed the world. Kerem yawned happily. "Skiing, history, cable cars, and the best kebab ever," he summarized. "We learned so much." They knew, as they drifted off to sleep, that Bursa's amazing adventures would stay with them forever.